If your Epic Games Launcher is giving you errors, freezing, or refusing to open, this quick fix can help get it working again. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Epic Games error now, using a simple step-by-step cleanup process. This is one of the most effective methods because it clears out stuck launcher processes and removes damaged cache files that can cause launch problems. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast tech fixes. Alright, let's get started. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC on your keyboard to open Task Manager. This lets you see what's running in the background. Once Task Manager is open, sort the list by name so everything is easier to find. Now look for any running items labeled Epic Games Launcher. If you see more than one, select each one and click End Task. This step is important because the launcher has to be fully closed before we make any changes. If it stays open in the background, the fix may not work properly. Next, go to your desktop and find the Epic Games shortcut icon. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Launching it this way gives the app the permissions it needs, and in many cases that alone can solve startup issues. If a permission prompt appears, click Yes to continue. Let the launcher try to open, and if the error still happens, don't worry, the next step is the key part of the fix. Now press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Windows Run dialog box. This is a fast way to jump straight to hidden system folders. In the Run prompt, type %local app data, %exactly as shown, then press Enter. This opens your local app data directory, where Windows stores important program files and cache data for apps like Epic Games Launcher. Inside that folder, look for the Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. From there, navigate directly into the Saved folder. This is where Epic keeps temporary data that can sometimes become corrupted over time. Once you're in the Saved folder, find the folder named Webcache. On some computers, you may also see a similar folder with a number at the end, like Webcache_4147, or another matching variation. Delete the Webcache folder completely, and delete any matching Webcache folders you see as well. This step clears out the old browser cache and launcher data that can cause login issues, loading errors, blank screens, or the launcher getting stuck on startup. After deleting those folders, close everything and restart your computer if needed. Then open Epic Games Launcher again and check if the issue is gone. In many cases, the launcher will rebuild fresh cache files automatically and start working normally again. If the error still appears after this, you may want to repeat the process carefully and make sure every Epic Games Launcher task was ended before deleting the cache. Also, double-check that you deleted the correct Webcache folder inside the Save directory. Even a small leftover cache file can sometimes keep the problem going. And that's it. You've now fixed the Epic Games error using a clean and simple method. If this video saved you time, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.